Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope fit and healthy. Children, as you all know that we are going to start with our P1 exams from 5th of August. So are you ready for the exams? Okay. So let's do some revision work. Children, get ready with your pencils and paper. We will have a quiz time. I am going to put up a question and you're going to quickly write down the answer. And then I'll tell you whether your answer is right or wrong. So the first question is an activity or service that is meant for all people in the country and is mainly organized by the government. The answer is public activity. Next question. An activity or service that is organized by an individual or company for their own gain. Quickly write down the answer. And the answer is private activity. Next question. What is the full form of OPD? OPD. I hope everyone has written the answer. And the answer is outpatient department. Next question. Moral principles that influence a person's behavior are. What are the moral principles called? The answer is ethics. Let's move on to the next question. These are chemical names of the drugs and they help in identifying the ingredients. Chemical names of the drugs. The answer is generic names. Moving on to the next question. It means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. The answer is health. Next question. Naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. The answer is minerals. Next question is, rocks are made up of different Answer is minerals. Rocks are made up of different minerals. Moving on to the next question. The rock which is made up of molten magma is igneous rock. Next question is, the innermost layer of the earth is. What is the innermost layer of the earth called? The answer is core. The innermost layer of the earth is called core. Moving on to the next question. Rocks which contain fossils are. You have to name the rocks which contain fossils. The answer is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, they have fossils in them. Next question. The thinnest layer of the earth is. The thinnest layer of the earth is. The answer is crust. It is also called the uppermost layer of the earth. Crust. The thinnest and the uppermost layer. The process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. The answer is rock cycle. Next question. Children, your next question is, granite is an example of dash rock. And the answer is intrusive igneous rock. Granite is an example of intrusive igneous rock. Next question. Igneous rocks are also called dash rocks. Igneous rocks are also called dash rocks. Answer is primary rocks. Next question is, any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called a... Yes, rock. It is called a rock. The remains of dead plants and animals trapped in the layers of rocks are called fossils. They are called as fossils. Moving on to the next question. The main mineral constituents of the continental mass are silica and dash. What are the main mineral constituents of continental mass? Silica and aluminia. The answer is aluminia. So that is why it is called as Sial. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium, and it is also called as Sima. S-I-M-A. Next question is, this layer is mainly made up of nickel and iron. Which layer is made up of nickel and iron? Core. Core is made up of nickel and iron. Under great heat and pressure, igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into which type of rocks? The answer is metamorphic rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks, they change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. Under heat and pressure, clay changes into slate. The answer is slate. And limestone changes into... Under great heat and pressure, limestone changes into... The answer is marble. Limestone changes into marble. Children, here's your next question. The deepest mine in the world is in which continent? Deepest mine in the world is in which continent? The answer is South Africa. The deepest mine in the world is in which continent? And the answer is South Africa. Great job, children. Thank you and best of luck.